In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer portal in Salesforce. We'll start right from the Lightning homepage. Open the gear icon in the top right and choose Setup, then click Setup for current app. That takes you into the full setup area where we'll turn on the features we need. In the quick find search box on the left, begin typing Digital Experiences. When it appears, open the settings page. Here, enable Digital Experiences, sometimes labeled Experience Cloud. This switch is what allows Salesforce to host portals for your customers. Confirm the change by clicking Save. If you land on a network settings screen afterward, that's normal. You've just set the foundation for your external site. If you don't see digital experiences in the menu, your addition or permissions may restrict access, so check with your admin. You may also be prompted to confirm a domain. Salesforce reserves it for your org, so your portals have a consistent address. Next, head back to the Setup home if you're not already there. Use the gear icon again to return to Setup. In Quick Find, type digital once more and select All Sites. All Sites is the command center where you create and manage every Experience Cloud site in your org. The page may take a moment to load as Salesforce prepares the Experience Cloud environment. Click New to start a fresh site. From the list of templates, choose Customer Account Portal. This template is designed for secure self-service, letting customers view cases, update account details, and access knowledge without needing help from your internal team. Click Get Started to open the wizard. Give your portal a name. I'll type Test as a placeholder. You can use a descriptive name that fits your project. You'll also see the site URL preview. Pick the default domain that's shown for your org so your portal address is created correctly, then click Create. While the site name can be changed later, the domain path becomes part of the URL your customers will bookmark, so pick something stable. The system will provision your site, apply the template, and bring you into the site workspace. On the workspace home, click your site's tile to open it, then choose Builder. Experience Builder is the drag and drop editor where you control pages, navigation, theming, and components. Any changes you make here are saved as drafts until you publish, so you can experiment safely without affecting live users. Even though we won't design pages in this walkthrough, it's helpful to know this is where you'll spend most of your time customizing the experience. Back in the workspace, let's quickly visit a few key areas so you know what they're for. Open moderation. This is where you manage rules that flag or block inappropriate user-generated content, keeping your community safe and on brand. Next, open content management. Here you organize images, documents, and other assets and connect to Salesforce CMS channels so your portal always shows up-to-date content. Head to gamification. If you want to drive engagement, this is where you configure badges and reputation points that reward helpful activity. Then open dashboards. Use this area to surface reports and dashboards to portal users, giving customers insights that are relevant to them without exposing internal data. Finally, click Administration. This central hub handles members, login and registration options, profiles and permission sets, and the general settings that control who can see what across your portal. And that's the full flow. We navigated from home into setup, enabled digital experiences, created a new site from the customer account portal template, named it, confirmed the URL, and opened the workspace. From there, we looked at Builder for page design and toured moderation, content management, gamification, dashboards, and administration, so you know where to configure each part of the experience. With those pieces in place, you're set up to brand the site, add the components your customers need, and manage access with the right permissions as you roll out the portal.